Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set two different print area in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some data to this spreadsheet, but this data is different side. Now I am select the first data table or the sheet, then go to the page layout menu, click the print area drop down menu and select set print area, then select the next sheet and click print area drop down menu, choose set print area. Then we go to the file menu, click the print option, then select the setting drop down menu and choose print entire workbook. Then we can see here to print page or the area. Now I am select this first and click print and go to the second, then click print. Now we can see we make two different print area easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.